Everyone's voice is different due to a combination of various physiological and anatomical factors. Here are some key reasons why people have unique voices. Vocal cords. The vocal cords, also known as vocal folds, are small muscle tissues located in the larynx, voice box. The size, shape, and tension of the vocal cords differ from person to person, affecting the sound produced. Vocal tract. The vocal tract includes the throat, mouth, and nasal cavity. Its length and shape contribute to the resonance and timbre of the voice. Variations in the size and shape of the vocal tract result in different vocal qualities. Larynx and Adam's apple. The larynx houses the vocal cords and is responsible for controlling the pitch and tone of the voice. Differences in the size and shape of the larynx, as well as the prominence of the Adam's apple, contribute to individual vocal characteristics. Body size and proportions. The overall size and proportions of a person's body can affect their voice. Larger individuals tend to have larger vocal cords and vocal tracts, resulting in deeper voices, while smaller individuals may have higher-pitched voices. Muscle control and technique. The control of the muscles involved in voice production, such as those in the larynx and diaphragm, also plays a role. Variations in muscle tension, breath support, and articulation techniques influence the unique qualities of each person's voice. Learned patterns and habits. Over time, individuals develop specific patterns of speaking, influenced by their native language, accent, regional dialect, cultural background, and personal habits. These learned patterns further contribute to the distinctiveness of their voices. It's worth noting that while genetic factors play a role in determining certain aspects of the voice, such as vocal cord size, many other factors, including environmental and learned factors, also contribute to the uniqueness of each person's voice.